Hello, welcome to the Comica channel. In today's video, I will explain the detail, the latest firmware, the upgrade date of the VM40 shotgun microphone. The update has enhanced the 32-bit flowing recording, better the charging functionality, and overall stability electron, which help to achieve the better sound quality and more control during your recordings. First, let's talk about the upgrade configuration of the transmitter. To enter copy mode, where the device is powered off, press and hold both of the function button and the mode button simultaneously. Then, connect the device to your computer using a USB cable. The first step is to visit our official website. Hover over to the top right corner, click on Support, and then select Download. And then click the Firmware, then select the Shotgun Microphone. Choose the Priority Firmware field for your VM40 and download it. Now, we are talking about the transmitter. Next, copy the firmware upgrade package into the VM40 transmitter update folder. Restart the device after misconnecting the USB cable. The transmitter could be updated automatically. Now, we are going to talk about the upgrade configuration of the receiver. To enter copy mode where the device is powered off, first press and hold the CH1 or CH2 button. Then, long press the power button. Next, connect the device to your computer using a USB cable. Back to this page. This time, we click here to download the receiver installation package. Copy the firmware upgrade package in the VM40 receiver update folder. Restart the device after disconnecting the USB cable. The receiver could be updated automatically. Now, we have completed the full upgrade of the VM40. Ready to give it a try? Click the link to visit our official website for more details.